parang hindi naman kailangan kong mamili na pupuntang hospital if ever may ah, kailanganin ko.
Mm.
Yun.
Ma'am, saan kayo located? Or saan hospital po in-inquire ninyo?
Olongapo City ako.
Ah.
And yung nearest hospital kasi sa place of work ko is Ulticare.
Accredited naman natin siya, ma'am. Kasi actually si Uticare, ma'am, parang one of the big hospital yata yan sa Olongapo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, with us naman kasi, Ma'am Myra, yun, for every, provinces naman din po, here in the Philippines po, major hospital is part of our accredited networks talaga. Yun po ang pinaka-priority namin. Although, yung mga bago kasi na for development, yun po yung parang sinisikap din namin na maging partners. Pero rest assured naman din po the benefits po ni Pacific Cross has a features naman din po ng flexibility. So meaning ma'am, meron kayong option to choose your hospital and doctor kasi hindi po kayo restricted or limited na pumunta lang dun sa accredited hospital and doctor. Then by chances, na for example, kunyari man po, you need for best care talaga na kailanganin, for example, mga specialist natin which is talagang may mga recommended yung mga friends or doctors of your best doctors, you can use it naman din po pero via reimbursement tayo.
Okay.
Yan. So, yun po yung kagandahan naman po ni Pacific Cross. At saka, yun ma'am, as you can see naman po, baka na-overwhelmed lang kayo ma'am dun sa sa maximum coverage, 'di ba? Kasi we started kasi ma'am as a 1 million. So, that's forward kasi basic plan namin siya. So, minsan kasi may mga client na sinasabi, baka too good to be true naman din na mataas yung limit, parang wala namang umaabot ng ganyang cost of hospitalization. So, the reason why na ganun ma'am na mataas kasi we experienced that during pandemic. Di ba nung pandemic naman po talaga mataas yung bills. So, nag-adjust kami ma'am. Actually, pinaka-minimum namin, 500,000 lang dati. Ngayon ma'am, nag-adjust kami kasi we parang project or foresee kasi ma'am na what if another pandemic happen. So, at least naka-ready yung yung benefits ng medical insurance like the Pacific Cross po.
Yes.